Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your Shopify store name. So take for example, you've just created your Shopify store and you couldn't change your name. So the default name that is going to come with the Shopify store is my store. Alright, so you need to change it to your name. Alright, so to change your Shopify store name, the first thing I want you to do is log into your Shopify account. So once you are logged into your Shopify account, you're going to see something like this. So the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down to the left hand side and scroll down, then click on settings here. So once you click on settings, you're going to see your store details. So this is where you're actually going to be changing your Shopify store name. So what you want to do is you want to come to your profile section here, then click on this pen icon to edit. So once you click on it, you're going to see store name, you're going to see store phone number, then you're going to see your store email. So store name, this is where you're going to be changing the name of your Shopify store. So to change your store name, all you simply need to do is come over here, then enter the store name you like to give your Shopify store. So here I'm quickly going to enter my store name. So once you've done that, you could also add your store phone number here. Then once you've done that, all you simply need to do is click on save here. Alright, so as you can see, I've just changed my Shopify store name, and this is how you can basically do it. Alright, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. Alright, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.